Hello viewers and my dear students. Today I shall be explaining how to clear your concepts because we come to know the content, we learn it, some students cram it, but they don't understand it. And if few of you understand it in first chance, then you don't actually understand the deeper meaning. So let me assist you for this, especially those who study NCERT books. NCERT is a very prestigious agency of our educational field, governmental agency, fair and honest. But the language they used is, I feel, for students, it is quite tough. Like the ordinary student who is not so linguistically efficient just gets confused. Stresses more on English or Hindi than on content. I had a friend in my junior classes, 8th, 7th, I have not studied, 8th. She was so good at studies, but she was Hindi medium, and in BSc she left the, means after 12 she left the science. Why? Because she couldn't follow the content in English, and the English used is very technical and tough there. So due to this, this may be the problem of many other students. So I let you know how to clear your concepts without this barrier of language. So, first of all, as I said, NCERT books are very standard and substantial, have all the content in them, but just going through them is not enough. You read that, you study using those NCERT books because syllabus is just in the proportion, it should be there. But to get simpler language, to get more colorful and bigger diagrams, in, especially in biology, you use other books written by ordinary authors as well as your refreshers. Because refresher have one thing, one positive point, and that is simple language, and that enhances your understanding. आप लैंग्वेज के इधर उधर घुमाव में नहीं घूमते रहते, आप कंटेंट पे ज़्यादा वो कर सकते हो. दिस इज़ व्हाट माय एक्सपीरियंस इज फॉर एटलीस्ट फॉर ऑर्डिनरी स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, इसी तरीके से यू शुड बी अवेयर that you have not enough time to waste in interpreting the linguistic medium. You have to focus on content. So always try to study using 2-3 refreshers and using books written by other writers as well, because their proficiency level is not made sometimes so high as of NCERT experts, so they use simpler language. Okay, similarly, you have to go through questionnaire. Don't only go on the in-text questions and the exercise questions given in as in NCERT lessons, in between the lesson and after a particular topic, and exercise questions. You just consult many other refreshers or question banks to understand the scope of questions that can be asked, and those questions itself themselves, these will clear your doubts, that a question can be asked in so many ways, a thing can be a topic can be asked in so many ways, and how you have to answer that question in very simple language, because language is not carrying marks in science studies, it is the content. Okay, so do that perfectly. This is a perfect idea to get your concepts clear. Okay, then as I had already described in one of my first videos, that try to explain this topic which you have studied to either your classmate your some equal class neighbor or your siblings. So that will clarify your concept as well. Okay, that is one of the best methods. And as I had earlier told, that this will give you satisfaction of some good work as well as it will ease somebody's life. Okay, so this way I hope you will understand better, and this may enhance your capacities. The second step is to formulate these what you have studied in practical life, as you have uh, just uh, as you have I just miss somebody who said that. अभी एक मिनट, अभी मैं क्या कह रही, I was asking you to observe these concepts in your daily life as well as experimenting by yourself. So, some simple topics like germination, growth, or plant reproduction, and soil texture, and these all you can understand very well by observing daily life incidents and performing simple experiments like effect of steam, that it has force, it pushes the lid, you can very easily observe at your home. And then the action to reaction, you can, you strike a ball and it comes back. Do it yourself, it is told in the books, but you just experiment it yourself once more after study. So these small acts will clarify you more about your content and will just fundamentalize your concepts understanding. So I think this is enough for getting clearer about your content and formulate it in your daily life. Okay, thank you for attending my video, and till the next time, bye bye.